The white horse, the conqueror's deception, the lamb broke the first seal. Jon's voice deepened, and from the divine brilliance, a horse unlike any you've ever seen burst forth. Its coat was not merely white, but a dazzling, blinding alabaster, radiant with an unnatural purity. Upon its back sat a rider cloaked in an aura of undeniable authority. In his hand he held a bow, but strangely no arrows were notched. And as he appeared, a gleaming crown, seemingly of pure light, was placed upon his head. He rode out not with the thunder of war, but with an eerie, silent grace, conquering and to conquer, the secret of this horse. Jon whispered, leaning forward is not brute force, but deception. Envision, if you will, a figure rising in the world's greatest hour of need, comes promising solutions, promising peace where there is none, unity where there is only division. His words are honeyed, his presence charismatic, his plans seemingly infallible. He conquers nations not with swords, but with treaties. He subdues populations not with armies, but with irresistible charisma and clever binding agreements. The bow without arrows speaks of a threat unfulfilled, a power held in reserve, or perhaps a conquest achieved through trickery and false promises rather than open conflict. He appears as a savior, a bringer of light, mimicking the true king who will one day ride a white horse. But this rider's crown is temporal, his peace a mirage, and his conquest a prelude to deeper darkness. He conquers to set the stage for the true horrors that follow.